Good day, viewers, and welcome back to Chima Matter Spiritual Tips. And God bless you. If this is your first time of coming across on this channel or coming in contact with this face, you are highly welcome. I welcome you with an open hand. On this very channel is all about spirituality. We talk, we teach, we study, we learn all about spirituality, how you can use natural ingredients, natural resources, natural plants, natural herbs and roots that God has created to solve the problems of mankind. To my new and old subscribers, I welcome you. I say thank you. To my returning subscribers, I appreciate you. And to my first-time channel visitors, welcome to this family. May God bless you as you continue with us in the name of Jesus Christ. Today, I am going to be giving us tips on different ways to benefit on coconut water. I will be telling us benefits and uses of coconut water in a different way today. So sit down, chill out, relax. Make sure you watch this video to the end and click on that red button down below by the right hand side of this video to subscribe to my channel if you have not done so already, and turn on the notification bell to all so that whenever I upload a new video, you will be notified with immediate effect. I remain Brother Chima Prince Matter, the founder of Chima Matter Spiritual Tips, Lagos, Nigeria. God bless you. Now, coconut is a particular tree that God has blessed with so much natural power. Coconut has the power of purity in itself. It has a high spiritual frequency, and the water is highly potent. Yes, I will take today's topic, or study as you may call it, step by step. As many that comes to my mind now, I will explain it to us. I will enlighten us about it so that we know how we can use coconut water in our benefit to make our life good and to achieve our expectation and our goals in life. So many people just buy coconut, they break it, they waste the water, they eat it and leave it. And these days, coconut has become so much expensive in the market, of which one small coconut like this is sold for 400 naira. But in those days, when people don't know anything about coconut or the spiritual part of it, you can buy one coconut for 50 naira, 70 naira. But today, the eyes of people has opened. People are seeking solution in order to make their life good. There is a mystery and a saying that says, no matter how the wind blow, it can never throw away the water inside the coconut. And another saying goes this way: no man or woman knows how water enter into the coconut. It still remains a mystery up to today. And let me tell you one thing about the coconut tree. The coconut tree is the only tree that has the capability to germinate or to grow on the side of sea. Yes, knowledge, they say, is power. Now, let me tell you, You can use a coconut water to see the destiny of a newborn baby. Once that baby is giving birth, the first water that touch the head of that baby, no matter the power the enemies exhibited, no matter the level of their evil sources, when they want to tamper that child's destiny, they won't be able to succeed in taking the destiny away. It is an assurance over the destiny of a newborn baby. And again, if you can try as much as possible, immediately that child is born, let the first water that enter into the stomach of that child be a coconut water. No matter the kind of poison that child eats when it's growing up, it will not be effective. Of course, you have taken care of that child's stomach spiritually when you gave birth to him or her. No matter the fearful of the wind, you cannot throw away coconut water. It still remains a ministry. Now, coconut also is a cleanser. I mean the water. You can use coconut water to wash your face for every evil spell or every evil mark or every evil coverage. Or if you are under a bewitchment, getting a coconut water and praying over it and using it to wash your head time to time will break every curse that you have inherited or you have caused by yourself. And the coconut water also, you can use it to take your bed, a spiritual bed. Get a bucket of water, get one coconut, pour the water inside. Let me tell you, spiritually speaking, if you get a bucket of water and put a drop of coconut water, the whole water automatically become coconut water. Yes, that is a secret. If you are a spiritual student, you know what I am saying. If you put a coconut water inside the water, you pray over it and use it to bed for your divine protection, for your divine mercy and open doors. Then coconut water, when mixed with other material such as cinnamon, ginger, and rub it from your head to your toes to end anything, disappointment, delay, and stagnation in your life. Coconut water is a very powerful spiritual vibration energy that can destroy every negativities working against your life. You always get disappointed whenever you go out there. Get a coconut, break the coconut, get some salt, mix it with coconut water and use it to wash your leg, and command your leg to begin to take you to the places of blessings. If you always have disappointment, get a coconut water, mix it with salt, pray over it and use it to wash your leg, and take charge of your steps. Let your leg carry you go anywhere there is better things. Just pray. And you can equally use coconut water to protect your house. If you want to consecrate your house for sweetness, you get coconut water, you add some sugar into it. Or if you have original honey, you can mix it together. Consecrate the water with Psalm 72. After concentration, sprinkle it all over your apartment to bless your apartment, to bring sweetness into your home, into your marriage, into your business, into your life. You can also do that in your business place or in your office if you want to bring peace and blessing and sweetness and prosperity to your life. I am telling you, if you want to draw customers, you can also use coconut water with cinnamon powder. Mix coconut water, cinnamon powder, and you pray over it. After consecrating the water, spray it around your shop, and you will see how people will be coming. People will be favoring you, coming to purchase what you are solely saying. This little spiritual tips is a benefit on how to use coconut water to better our life. I am sure somebody has learned something. Try it and you will see. It is not magic. It's the things God has given to us. Try this particularly spiritual tips and you will see it work. God bless you for watching this video, and please subscribe to my channel if you have not done that already, and turn on the notification bell so that you'll be notified when I do a new video. And please comment on my comment section, give your suggestion on how we can grow this channel, and if you have any testimony from my past videos, don't hesitate to write it on the comment section. Like my videos, share my videos, invite your families, invite your friends, invite your well-wishers to be a bona fide member of this family. And as you do this, may God in heaven bless you. And also, I also have my spiritual product that is powered by me. I have the Equable Plus Detox for those who has moving objects in their body, who have eaten something in the dream, those who has been sick and they don't know the cause of their sickness. I have the Equable Plus Detox to cure you from every spiritual attack or everything that you have eaten in the dream. Every object, every moving object moving around your body from your head to toe. Don't fail to contact me on Equable Spiritual Detox. I also have the back to sender soap. I have the crowd pulling soap for those of you who are traders, who are businessmen and women. I also have the love and affection soap. And I also have the back to sender soap and the road opening soap. I also have the Igila powder detox. And all these will get to your doorstep if ever you contact me for any of my product. Many people has been using it and they have been giving a lot of testimony about my product. No matter your location, no matter where you are watching me from, if you are interested in any of my products, just feel free to contact me, as my number still remains +234 7088 136610, +234 7088 136610. I am open to communication, or you can check on my YouTube channel to see my old videos. Watch my old videos and join me in practicing. I need you to be liberated. Remember, the spiritual control the physical realm. Yes. And God bless you. Have a nice day, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you have never done that yet. Like my videos, comment on the comment section, share my videos, call me on the phone. Whatsoever you want me to do for you, I am available to your service. Thank you, and God bless you. Have a nice day. Bye for now.